But they got some nice whips out here though. Very nice whips. Very nice whips. A lot of young cars. A lot of rims. More rims. 335 off. Kind of like vlogging right now.
Oh, no, yeah, dude.
Yeah, it's all good. Hey, actually, shout out your channel right now, bro.
Oh, yeah. F82 Crooks, F82 CRKS, you know what
Hey, go follow my boy.
Yeah, this me, all me right here.
It's him right here. He's twinning right now. He is twinning. Nice. Guys got the G80s, G82s. Hey. Some big plates. Got the leg guts. Got the caramel seats. See ya. Dang, I got the see ya tail lights. What the fuck? That's the first one I've seen. That's crazy. I'll make sure y'all go follow. That's a nice ride. This car is crazy. Make sure y'all go follow that. That's crazy. That's a crazy wrap with the CSL tail lights. And for a competition, G82 M2. This is nice. This is so nice. That's a nice M5. Sheesh. It's very nice. It's too much music, but I'm gonna keep on talking. You know, y'all hear my voice and whatnot. It's a nice M3. But super nice builds. Some nice builds. Super nice.
No, you can stand there. This car is way better than
At the edges. It just goes.